Hey everyone, welcome back. If your BMO account is locked in the mobile app, do not panic. This usually happens after multiple incorrect login attempts. First, wait for at least 30 minutes before trying again. If the account remains locked, reset your password using the official BMO website or app. While resetting your password, make sure your password is strong as uppercase, lowercase, underscores, numbers if you're allowed to put them in. Make sure that it is unique and not easy to guess so people won't have access to your data or privacy. You can also contact the BMO customer support to verify your identity and unlock the account. Once unlocked, log in carefully and enable Face ID or fingerprint to avoid future lockouts, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.